On display is the Diza AI homepage. Scrolling down, we can explore the details. As we scroll further, here we get the plan section. Let's start with the free plan. Here, you are getting 100 conversations for free. Isn't it amazing? Click on Start Free. Here you can sign up using Google, or you can enter your details manually. Or if you have already signed up, you can log in from here. Now let's sign up using Google. Here, select your email. Then fill in your WhatsApp number. You will receive a code on WhatsApp. Let's fill it in. Here, you can share how you got to know about us. Then click on Save and Continue. Here we'll build our AI agent. So I'm doing this for my client. Fill in the business name. Then fill in the service or product they are selling. Customize diet plan. Then you can name the AI agent, or you can simply leave it blank. Now the AI is initializing. Here, you can train the AI agent by providing details or information about your business. I'm adding my client's details. Then you can add your website link, Facebook link, or Instagram link. Here you can upload TXT files to train the AI agent. Now simply click on Save and Train AI. It's training the AI brain. Here comes the most interesting part. You can check how smartly the AI agent replies like a human. Let's chat with the AI. Agent started replying smartly. I'm looking for diet plans. See how smartly it's giving replies like a human with the power of AI. Let's ask something more. Perfect reply. One more interesting part is that it can reply in any language. It has already replied in Hindi. Now let's check if it can reply in Telugu. Wow! It replied in Telugu. Here, you'll get 10 credits to test. You can find your remaining free credits in the dashboard section. Let's complete the setup. Now the AI agent is ready. Let's enter the dashboard. Thanks for watching. Get experience the power of India's smartest AI agent. Start free today.